Hello everybody, I'm Java if you don't already know. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you are returning. So I have already did my hair with my Infinity Pro by Conair Flatiron, and I did a video on this. I will link that in the description below, but it's pretty much like a few videos back in my channel, but I'll still leave the link down in the description bar below. So yeah, I already did my hair with this flat iron. I just did a light flat iron because I plan on doing other styles. I didn't really want to make it bone straight or anything like that, so I just changed the temperature down a little bit more. So I'm going to be doing a little bit more to my hair though. I want to put like some front curls, some front end curls just to these little pieces right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this easy look. So with the flat iron, I mentioned in the video that it has the sleek plates, and it's really good for curling because the heat, you know, reaches the back of the flat iron, well, both sides of the flat irons, front and back. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the look. So I'm going to start with my right side, and then I'm just going to take the flat iron and then just grab a piece, and then you just pull and curl, pull and twist, and then there you go. You can wear it like this. And now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not using a mirror, I'm just looking in the camera's reflector or whatever, the little mini screen on the camera. So I'm just gonna take the other side, and then I'm just gonna pull and curve, pull and twist, pull and twist. So this is what it is coming out to. I can keep it like this if I want to, but if you want to do like a more of a really curly curl, you just kind of go over it one more time and you just twist and pull more tighter. Not too tight, but you just want to do it enough to where you can at least be able to slide the curling iron through. So this is how it's looking, and I like how it sometimes has like a little feathered look, feathered curl. So I like this right here. And then I'm going to repeat for the other side. So take that piece, and I'm just going to pull and curl, pull and curl, and then I'm going to release. I'm not going to hold it for a super long time because it's not that type of curl. So this is how it's looking as well, both sides. And I'm just gonna let the curls cool before I decide if I want to pull it out or just let it sit where it's at and then let it fall later on throughout the day. So this is how you achieve the curls, ladies. Curls for the girls, easy, simple, not too much work. Like, this is so cute. Like, this was really like my go-to hairstyle back in the day. I love this hairstyle. It's so easy, so simple. It's beginner friendly, it's advanced friendly. If you don't want to wear it just as in one big curl, you can just separate a few strands and make the curls kind of stand out a little bit more just by separating them. You can just take your comb or your fingers and just kind of like separate the curls and make it into multiple curls, so you can kind of like get a bigger curl look or just fluff it out for a more defined curl style. And it could look something like this, but however it turns out on your hair is however it turns out, and you can dress it up, dress it down, however you like. I'm gonna do the other side as well. This style is so cute. It's easy, it's simple, you don't have to do too much. And again, I just take like whatever front piece that I'm gonna use, whatever amount that I'm going to use, and then I just take the flat iron and I just pull like down and out, and then I curl. So you're taking the flat iron, you're gonna close it, pull, so you're like pulling away from your face. Pull it away from your face, and then you curl as you're pulling towards the ends. And then same with the other side, you're going to take it, close it on the piece of hair that you're going to use, and you just pull away from your face, and then you also curl under towards your face. It's really, really easy, really, really simple. Don't be discouraged if you mess up on the very first pass. You can just try it again, but be careful not to overdo it because you will fry your hair. You'll start to damage your hair, and you don't want that. And it's really, really simple. I mean, you don't have to do too much to get this hairstyle. This is just adding some flavor to your hair. This is just adding some more pizzazz to your look or whatever. And I hope that the video helped you as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that it was straight to the point for you guys. I tried to make this video really, really short because all I was doing was just curling the front ends. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye y'all.